only thing I can say is that now I know that anything and everything can be changed through Radical. And introspective, customized, meditative practice. Radical is a way of life, and you don't have to think about sustaining it. It will sustain you. It was miraculous, not magical. Dono milakar miraculous.
Tell me something about yourself.
Um, okay, my name is Sheetal Gusani. I stay in Dubai for the last 28 years. And I'm a seeker who expresses the world around and the understanding of it through poetic paintings and any kind of creativity, actually. It can be spoken word, it can be drama, social, uh, with a social message or monologues or anything. And now, I cannot say now, but yes, I'm also an alternate healing therapist.
Okay. How did you come to know about Radical?
So I would love to say that I was cornered to come to know about Radical. I had actually gone to learn another healing therapy, and my teacher Rajkumari ji, she was such a giver. She wanted to fill me up with so much of knowledge that she impressed me so much. And but she kept on talking about Radical. So I was wondering what this Radical is. So somewhere, because she was giving me so much and I didn't have the time, I just took the book from her and I thought I'll just go through it. And when I went through the Radical Crystalline Mind book by Atman Parmar, I was hooked. I just wanted to know more and more about it. So this was how I came to know about Radical.
What prompted you to learn Radical?
So, once I had read the book, it was so fascinating because it's spirituality, it's technicality, it's going to the core of any issue or any pain or anything. That was what which caught me. It didn't have any rules. It is so easy. It is so easy. I cannot tell you. There are no set rules that you have to do it like this and like this, or you have to use this. You are on a bus, you can do it. You are on a plane, you can do it. You are on your bed, you can do it. It's so simple.
Uh, if you have to describe your perception of Radical in a few words, what would you say?
It is an introspective, customized, meditative practice.
Wow, that's as simple as it can get.
It
Great.
is. It
Uh,
is.
well, I think that's what Radical has done to you, right? Okay, so when did you feel that Radical was much more than a therapy or healing?
Um, I can only say that when I learned it, I started using, and what it was so miraculous that it would not, I did not register that it is working so well. I had sessions after sessions for others. It was so fast. It took me some months to realize that actually I should apply it on myself. It was so beautiful and so easy.
So your clients got the benefit of it and you saw results coming out. Was it
Yes,
magical?
it was miraculous, not magical. Dono milakar miraculous.
Do you think you can sustain Radical on Radical longer?
I think Radical is a way of life, and you don't have to think about sustaining it. It will sustain you, because once you get into living it, it becomes a way of life.
But you said you have been practicing other forms of therapy also. Yeah.
Correct.
And radical, if you look at it that way, is also one added form of therapy.
Correct.
If I ask you from that perspective, do you think you can sustain with radical?
100%.
Okay.
It is so easy that I use radical 100% of the time now.
Okay. But you're going through ups and downs in your personal and professional life. Would you give an example of it, that how did you apply this technique to help yourself? Or how
Okay.
did it work for you?
Okay. So I would love to give an example of one of my clients. She had a cyst, and it was very painful to her.
Mhm.
And we did the radical techniques to heal her. And it was the starting of Corona, and everything was, there was a complete lockdown. She was in a lot of pain. If you rate it from 0 to 10, she was on a 9.5. So
Okay.
within half an hour, the pain had completely subsided, and she could actually lift her hand, which she could not when she started off. And within 2 days, the cyst actually, how do you call it? It healed itself, or it just came out. The seed came out from the cyst. She
Mhm.
was so shocked, she could not believe it. So that was one of the most beautiful examples of radical healing assist. So that I would love to share. That's what I've shared with you.
Okay. So what about in your own personal and professional life?
Um, Life is life, and life throws tangents at us. And only thing I can say is that now I know that anything and everything can be changed through radical.
Mhm.
And it has got something to do with me. So when I change my perception, everything changes, and which has already happened. I know just it is just a matter of time before this environment will change.
With all the changes that keep coming up in each one's life, today, with the tool of radical, how do you deal with it now? Any current example that you can give us?
Mm, okay, so there was this client, and she had come with a pain in her abdomen, completely bent over, puking. She said it feels like labor pain. And within 3 minutes, she had gone to zero from 9.59. That was a pain again, and she came to zero. And within 5 minutes, she was out of her room wanting to cook something because she was feeling hungry. So this was like, again, another example of abdominal pain, which was solved like that.
So, what has changed in your life?
Um, I think the biggest change which has come is I can, I think there was always a stress related to my environment anytime, and like you could always feel it around you. And now it feels as if I'm completely grounded. There is a calmness, there is a complete feeling of serenity most of the times.
Excellent. That's a wonderful, wonderful thing to be with, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I can see it's showing on your face, actually.
Thank you so much. Yes, it does reflect, right?
Yes, it does. What would be your one message that you would like to give to upcoming radical learners?
I would just like to say that life is very fast. It is changing every moment. And radical is the fastest method with which you can keep up with the times without getting hassled, without getting stressed, without getting completely in a state of panic. So it makes your life uh, completely stress free. I don't know, am I repeating myself? But it's as if you are this ball of serenity in a tornado, which is so calm and collected. So if you want that, then I think you should learn Radical. That it teaches you how to think properly. It teaches you how to introspect. It teaches you the right way of taking things. It teaches you to be a neutral observer so that you can actually make perfect choices for yourself and your family. It teaches you this neutrality brings so much of realization, so many realizations, so many answers, so many it's as if you yourself are under the microscope watching yourself, and you can actually see that nahi ye nahi karna, ye karna. So it is so beautiful that I think each and every person in the world should learn it, because I've done so many modalities, but I've never seen this sort of see, this is not mumbo jumbo. This is not कि हो सकता है. You know, there is a concept of okay, if you do good, everything will happen. No, this is a research based channelized kind of a program which teaches you how to actually reach that point, reach that place where you want to reach. I find that amazing, that if you do it correctly, it works, it works, and it works.